Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action has been a bit of an up and down around a specific number, and today we're looking at some interesting signals for the weekend ahead. Let's dive in and analyze whether BTC could break out of its consolidation zone or continue coiling around these key levels. We're seeing Bitcoin hovering around that crucial 69.5K yellow border in the smaller time frames. Despite the tight range, we've got the money flow gradually ticking up, signaling potential buying interest. On top of that, the wave trend indicator shows waves becoming smaller and smaller, which could mean one of two things. Either we're about to get a breakout, or we're in for a bit more sideways action as the market winds up. Switching to the daily, the flashback indicator provides us with some weekend-specific stats. On average, Bitcoin gains about 1.3% on Saturdays and loses around 1% on Sundays. Historically, Saturday closes positive, while Sundays tend to end in the red. Today's open sits precisely at 69.5K, giving us a potential range of 68.7K as an average low, or 70.3K on the upside if these patterns hold. Right now, with the price hovering around 69.3 thousand, it looks like the downside may be slightly favored. But with 8 hours left on today's candle, anything can happen. The price could stay coiled in this range, or we might just get that anticipated bigger breakout. Was that recent push to 71.6K just a hint of what's to come? Now let's look at the liquidation heat map. On the 3-day chart, there's a clear pocket of short liquidity around 71.7K to 72.1K. If market makers decide to push prices up, they could very well target these levels to scoop up those short positions, which would align with that teaser push up to 71.6K we saw on Friday. The 1-week view tells a different story though, showing a larger liquidity pocket below us around 68.7K down to 68.3K. This matches the flashback indicator's average 1% downturn for Sunday. So we've got dual liquidity zones in play, one above and one below, setting the stage for a potential squeeze in either direction. Now here's something to keep in mind. Weekends are typically low volume in the 20K range, which makes the market ripe for any whale activity. Lower volume can often lead to unexpected swings, so we'll be watching for any sudden moves, especially with those liquidity pockets waiting to be tapped on both sides. Will the whales take this opportunity to push prices into those higher levels, around 71.7K? Or will we see a quick dip to clear out longs? Stay tuned to the charts, especially over the weekend when the volume drops and the chances of whale shenanigans go up. And as always, for real-time updates, join our free Discord community. Link is in the pinned comment. You'll get insights into my entries, exits, and chart analysis as it unfolds. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these insights coming your way. And see you in the next one.